Hi guys, welcome to the first video of my Organize, Clean, and Declutter series. Today I am tackling the closet. Working in sections or particular areas helps with finishing a task. In this case, I will be starting with my clothes and shoes since I have less to go through. First, I take out all the winter clothes. I make a pile for storing and a pile to get rid of. I do not like having too many things of pretty much anything, and in order to keep everything at a minimum, I constantly go through things and declutter. So when decluttering clothes, ask yourself, was this worn in the last 3 months? And if it wasn't, then get rid of it. Don't think too much about it. Practicing this method for so long has made decluttering much easier for me. Living in Italy, I've had to come to a compromise with the lack of my storage space. So when storing large bulky coats, they just stay in a wardrobe in our bedroom. I always have these space bags handy for storing anything or keeping things together. I'm sure you're thinking, why does she have more scarves than clothes? Well, I love winter and the layering of clothes, so I get a scarf every vacation to a new place, or when my husband goes away for work, he brings me back a scarf. Here I am also decluttering the stored summer clothes. If I don't love it or it doesn't fit me, I don't keep it.
change. You say, I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. I can't help but feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead.
And now, time for the husband's side of the closet.
So good. Feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer.
Here, I'm just clearing out his gym bags and finding all this winter snowboarding gear. So I'm just finding their pair and storing them in the crate where I used to have the scarves in.
To be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
Now he is more attached to his clothes and shoes, so I have to get his approval when decluttering his items to make space for new items. Unless it's absolutely necessary, like holey socks or stained clothes, I just get rid of those myself. Over here, we just store his extra backpacks and gym bag. guys, for the OCD of the closet. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Until the next one, bye!